Good morning, dear students. Now this is the last topic of this chapter, and this last topic is also very easy as similar to the previous topic. There is a map given. Ashish school map is given. As we have done answer the following questions from the map, and that questions and that topic is also you have to find the answer from the Ashish school map. Okay, so here you can see the school map is given. In the top you can see the assembly ground hall, in the bottom you can see the playground, main gate of school, then at the one corner you will see the office, then at the second corner there is a garden, and here the scale is given. That scale is equal 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. It means what? The one box is equal to 2 centimeter, and that is having the 5 meter on the paper. Okay, now here the certain questions that you have to answer from the look at the map. Okay, now use the square to find out how many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of the office. First of all you have to find where is the assembly ground and the office. Now you can see this, all the components of the school are mentioned with the different colors. Okay, so assembly ground you can see the light green in color and office is the yellowish in color. So first of all you have to count the number of boxes that is covered by the assembly ground and office. So office is covered the 3 boxes. Okay, here you can see the 3 boxes is covered by the office. Then assembly ground you have to count the boxes 1 2 3 4 5. There are 3 row of 5 boxes and the 3 boxes of 5 column. So 3 5s are 15. So there are total boxes of assembly ground is 15 and here 3. Now what we have to find is कि assembly ground office से कितना बड़ा है, कितना times बड़ा है. So 3 5s are 50. Okay, office is covered the 3 boxes and assembly ground is covered the 15 squares. Okay, so 3 is already there. Okay, now how many times is still remain to cover the remaining area? That is the 5. Okay, so your answer will be 5 times bigger than the area of assembly ground than that of the office. Okay, now second, how much is the length and width of each classroom? Okay, here 4 questions is 4 different multiple choices given. You have to find the which one is correct. Okay, you have to measure the only one classroom. Okay, because all the classroom are similar. Clear? Now if you can count the classrooms, there are 5 boxes in a length and there are 2 boxes. Okay, but there are 4 classrooms. So width is 4 meter and there are 5 in a row. So that will be a length, that is 5 meter. So your answer would be A. That is the length 5 meter and width 4 meter. Okay. Now look at the next map. Okay. And give the answer. All the classrooms in Ashish school look like this. Okay. Classroom का map दिया है यहाँ पे. You can see the benches, then windows, then blackboard, and opposite to the blackboard there is a display board, and at the one wall of classroom having the notice board and the entrance door. Clear? Now look at the map carefully and answer these questions that which of this is exactly opposite to the blackboard. Now blackboard के opposite क्या है? So you can see there is a display board. Here the 4 options is given: alarm, तो नहीं है, वो अपोजिट नहीं है, वो कॉर्नर में है. देन विंडोज, विंडोज इज ऑल्सो इन another side of the classroom. Then notice board is also on the wall but not the opposite. Okay, opposite means सामने. Then display board is the only thing that is totally opposite to the blackboard. Okay, so your answer would be display board. Now look at the second map again. Now and guess and mark where would this be. Okay, now blackboard in third A and blackboard in third A and seventh. ओके आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है कि ब्लैक बोर्ड कहाँ पे है, थर्ड ए में और सेवेंथ में. यू हैव टू गो इन दी सेकेंड मैप, दिस वन. ओके, थर्ड ए एंड सेवेंथ. तो यहाँ पे ब्लैक बोर्ड कहाँ आएगा, एंड आराम इन फोर्थ एंड टेंथ. So you have to look in the map and answer or try to answer the questions. Okay, you have to just assume that नहीं यहाँ पे black board आ सकता है in the right side, left side of the classroom, whatever. Okay, so here we end this chapter. In this chapter we studied about the mapping your way, in which we studied the directions. We have four main direction: north, east, north, south, east and west. Okay, apart from that we studied how to give answer from the map. Okay, it is so easy. Clear? So it is about the whole chapter. Now in the next class we'll start the new chapter, that is chapter number 9. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.